Hey guys, I know what you're thinking. Another car show video? Well, you'd be right. Hey guys, welcome back to Brennaby, and we are going to a huge car show today. Way bigger than the last one. This one's gonna have like 6,000 cars or something like that. It's gonna be insane, guys, so see you there. This car show is in Ohio and it's called Good Guys Car Show or something, but it's gonna be really big like I've said already. That little car show is gonna be nothing compared to this one. We got into a little traffic jam. We're in a little pickle right now, but we'll get out of it. Dude, we're here. Look at how many just people are here. These aren't the cars to look at. These are just all the people. And by the way, we did survive the traffic jam. We have finally arrived. And there are a lot of people here. We just got in. Now we're heading to see all the cool cars. Look at that pretty one. This one shows the engine. It's cool. Look at that guy. Big old beastie truck that is. Look at this truck's bed, dude. That's cool. Love the American flags in this one. Shirt stands. Now we're heading into the indoor car show. These are some of the inside cars. Shiny. That one's got a bike on top. This one's hilarious. Look at that.
So you know they get this in there.
Look at how much stuff it has on it. Look at that. I love this car. I told you there was a lot of cars here. Hopefully we'll get some food soon. Getting a little hungry. I have bad news. It's a Decepticon. Finally, we're in the food section. We just got our food. I got a corn dog and some crush. Let's eat. We're eating our food. We kind of had trouble finding a table though, so as you can see, I'm just sitting on the ground right now. Well, that's fine with me. We just came into the place where you buy parts. I don't think we're gonna buy anything though, but there is a lot of things you can buy here. I want that one. That one's awesome. Look at that thing. Woo. all the smoke. We came out on the burnout competition, dude. Look at that. They're gonna be doing a lot of burnouts.
Here we go. This is so nice and quiet. Love it. There we go. It's the smoke. Woo!
This white truck won. That was like the junkiest car. And he won the burnout. So that was sweet, dude. For the Star Wars fans. Now we're gonna watch some drag racers. They're not gonna race, but they're gonna start up their engines. It's gonna be cool. Well guys, we're finally heading out. We saw a lot of cool cars, heard some cool loud engines. So yeah, we had a fun time, and I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe.